Hong Kong is globally renowned as one of the world's finance capitals, but the city is home to a wide range of diverse businesses outside the finance industry. From manufacturing to construction and software development, if a job exists, then it's probably being done in Hong Kong. However, it may surprise you to learn that in addition to labor laws establishing workplace safety guidelines, Hong Kong also mandates insurance for all employees in the city. Under Hong Kong law, any person or business paying any individual to perform any job must take out employees' compensation insurance to cover their liability towards that worker suffering an accident or injury in the routine course of their job. This can be a bit confusing, so let's break it down a bit. Imagine you run a private business management consultancy. You have 6 employees who you pay to come to work every day and help you provide business advice to your clients. If one of your employees trips over an exposed power cord in the break room and falls over, suffering a broken arm, then under Hong Kong law, you, as the employer of that person, would be responsible for compensating the worker for their injuries. Because workplace injuries can be expensive, and because something is even as seemingly straightforward as a broken arm can have long-lasting consequences, the HKSAR government has ensured that money is available to all workers in this situation by making employers, whether individuals or business entities, purchase a form of insurance for this eventuality. If the worker does suffer a job-related injury, then the insurance, rather than the employer, is in place to provide appropriate compensation. This ensures that businesses are not bankrupted by workplace accidents and gives workers the security they need to know that they will have support in a worst-case scenario. Employees' compensation insurance is often called workers' compensation insurance or simply workers' comp elsewhere in the world, but the principles and ideas are very much the same no matter where this type of insurance is present. If a worker gets injured in their job, then the insurance will provide financial remediation. It is important to note that under Hong Kong law, an employment contract does not have to be written. Verbal contracts of employment are valid, and even though an individual may class themselves as a freelancer or gig worker, that person may still be an employee for the purposes of the Hong Kong Labor Department. Consequently, it is best to err on the side of caution and purchase employees' compensation insurance for all workers, as failure to abide by Hong Kong's law can result in a stiff financial penalty or even jail time. Outside of EC insurance, there are no universally required forms of protection that must be held by all businesses in Hong Kong. However, if we are considering labor insurance, then it often makes sense to add health insurance protection to the conversation. Health insurance will not avert a workplace injury or accident, but it can be a vital part of the equation when it comes to recovery and recuperation. Providing workers coverage under a corporate health insurance or group health insurance policy is an optional consideration for workers, but the existence of medical protection for employees can be invaluable in a worst-case situation. In Hong Kong, it is possible to obtain medical protection for groups of more than 5 people, which can include benefits you are unable to get anywhere else, like medical history disregarded underwriting. Group health insurance plans also have the potential for customization, with employees of different seniority receiving different coverage benefits. This makes health insurance protection a flexible, supplemental tool to stand alongside EC insurance coverage when taking the protection needs of your workforce into consideration. That's us for this week. As always, we hope you have a happy and healthy weekend. Remember to like and subscribe for all our content as it comes out, and don't forget to ask CCW. Your insurance, swift, simple, sorted.